Hi, so today we're doing something a little different. I am going to be teaching you how to do a brand new crochet stitch. It's a front post triple crochet, back post triple crochet, two together. Now this was designed by Auburncraft, that's their username on Ravelry, and this is her website. She asked me to make this video, so I have her full permission to do it. This is a stitch from her Winter's Blush scarf. You can get the pattern in her shops. So I'm going to show you this stitch. Now this is a really unique stitch in that it is reversible. So both sides look the same, which is something that is really, really cool. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? So there's two different ways that you can do it. One is working into one of that stitch that you made in the previous round, and one is working a new one into a double crochet. So first we're going to do working into a previous one. So here's what you do. First, like a regular triple crochet, you're going to yarn over two. Now, because it's a front post, we're going to go into this first front post right here, just like this. I'm going to yarn over, bring a loop through, yarn over through two, yarn over through two. Now we're going to leave two loops on your hook because this is a crochet two together. Now we're going to do the back post triple crochet. So we're going to yarn over two. And now instead of going around the post we just did, we're going to work in this post which is in the back. So you're going to take your hook and you're going to bring it behind and then across the front of that post, back out the back. Then you're going to yarn over and bring your hook through like so. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through three. That completes one of this stitch. So now you can see this is your front post and then your back post. And they kind of bridge over the top of the row that you're working on, and that's how it is able to be reversed. So I'm going to show you that a couple more times. So we're going to go over twice in the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. So that's the front post. Now we're going to do the back post again through this one. So we're going to yarn over twice, go behind, bring your hook in front of the post, out the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through three. So that's your second one. So now we've done one, two. Now we're going to do another one. So yarn over two, go through the front, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. So that's the front post part. Now we're going to do the back post part. Yarn over twice, go around the back stitch here, back post there, pull through, yarn over through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through three. So now we have three of those stitches. One, two, three. And if you flip it on the back, you can see one, two, three. So that's how you do it if you're working into a already established posts of this stitch. So now I'm going to show you how to do it if you're just going into a double crochet. So this is one, there's just one post that we're going to work both parts of the stitch into. So we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to do a front post triple crochet, just like you normally would for any other project. But we're going to stop when there's two loops left on your hook. Then we're going to yarn over twice, and we're going to work the back post triple crochet into this same post. And we're going to work it under the front post triple crochet. So you're going to bring your hook to the back of your work, make it go across the post, poke out the back, yarn over, and pull the yarn all the way through. There we go. All right, so we should have 5 loops here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. So there we go. So then you have the front post and the back post triple crochets. So this is a really neat stitch, and it makes a really cool textured pattern that is reversible if you're working a flat project. So I hope you enjoy. And again, you can go to this Ravelry page or this website to grab the pattern that uses this stitch. Happy crocheting!